Hi guys, this is the Anything Cook.
And today, she will be cooking.
Let's have some fun. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Anything Cook. Today I'm making a recipe called Rotli Vagar. It's a simple recipe, doesn't require much ingredients, and it's quick and easy to make. So all you need is a few rotis. The stale ones are better. All you need to do is just break it up into pieces. Then we have some Jeera Seeds, green chilies, garlic ginger paste, a little bit of oil, some turmeric, some Dhana Jeera powder, some ghee, chopped onions, and some curd or sour milk or yogurt, whichever you prefer. So first we need to break up the rotis into pieces. So I'm just going to break them into small pieces. Okay, so to my hot pan, I'm going to add some oil, about a tablespoon and a heaped teaspoon of ghee, after the ghee has melted, add about a teaspoon full of Jeera seeds. Once the tempering here becomes fragrant and you can hear a slight sizzling, then you know it's ready to add the onions. So fry the onions until they become translucent. The onions are becoming soft. When they are soft, then we can add the roti. So I'm going to add the roti now. To the roti, while it's frying, I'm going to add all my masala. So I will add a heaped teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste. Green chili, I'll add about 1 teaspoon. You can add according to taste. 1 heaped teaspoon of Dhana Jeera powder and about half a teaspoon of turmeric. So just stir that until it's well mixed and let it fry. Just be careful not to let it burn. Fry it on a medium heat. I'm just going to stir fry it for a minute or so. Before adding the curd, I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit. So I'm adding about 250 ml. So keep stirring it so that it doesn't curdle. So we'll just stir fry it so that it becomes a bit dry. This is something we usually have for breakfast or a small lunch or snack. Just adding some salt. Give it a quick stir fry. You don't want to break the roti into small pieces because you still want some texture coming through. Okay, it looks ready now, so we can take it off the heat. And it's ready to serve.